Hey guys, welcome to eComHardy.com. This is Hardik Patel, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Shopify to TikTok business account directly from Shopify. So let's get started. So here I am on the dashboard. Simply click on the sales channels. And here, if you don't find the TikTok sales channel, simply click all recommended sales channels. And here you will find the TikTok. If you don't find it, then simply click Shopify App Store and search for the app called TikTok. Once you search for TikTok, you will find this app called TikTok made by TikTok itself. Simply install now. And once you install and activated this sales channel, it will show up something like here. If you don't see it here, don't worry. Simply click on sales channels and you will find it here. You can click that, and here you can click pin that sales channel to the navigation bar and it will stay here. Once you click to open the TikTok, it will show something like here. Click on the overview and select setup now button. Now here you will find the connect TikTok for business. Simply click connect and you can log in with TikTok account if you already have. If you don't have, you can always create the TikTok account, or if you want to log in with email ID and password, you can always do so. So once I successfully logged in, it will ask you to continue to connect TikTok for business with TikTok account. And here you can select by reading the terms of service of TikTok. Make sure you check out the privacy policy and terms of services before you signing up. And you can either untick the tick box of subscribe to email newsletters, or it's good to subscribe these newsletters if you are new to TikTok. It will help you to learn how TikTok works. So let's confirm and connect. So you see now TikTok for business has been connected. Now TikTok business center account, you have to create new one if you don't have already. TikTok ads manager. So you fill out the information to sign up with TikTok Ads Manager. Next is data sharing section. Simply select the relevant option. I would like to go with enhanced one instead of maximum one, but it's up to you. And under here you will find TikTok pixels. Make sure it's connected or selected. If you don't find any pixels here, simply click create pixel, click confirm. And here is the company information. You simply fill out the company information by clicking the setup. You can always go with automatic payments or manual payments. It's your choice. Once you finish the setup, it will show like your account is under pending account review. It usually takes no more than 24 hours. In my case, it only took like few minutes. So once your account is approved, it will show the status as ready. Here, TikTok marketing is ready. And here you can go through the auto-generated campaign if you want to. You can simply play the campaign and go through all the settings. You can change the settings and run the campaign directly from the Shopify dashboard. Also, you can go to the product status of TikTok. You can manage the availability of all the products are approved for TikTok. So you can find all the products which are approved or pending or disapproved from here. So this is how you can connect your Shopify store to TikTok for business account and handle the campaigns directly from the Shopify TikTok sales channel. Hope you enjoy watching this video, guys. Please thumbs up to this video if you like this video, and subscribe to this channel if you are new, so you will not miss any future content of this channel. Also, if you have any questions or suggestions, please comment me in comment box below. I'd love to answer your questions. And until next time, see you, take care, bye bye.